Hey guys, I want to talk to you about one of the KidSense oils called Sniffles. So Sniffles is one of the whole line of KidSense oils that we have, and they were oil blends that were designed specifically for kids because they're pre-diluted. You don't have to think about dilution ratios. You can just like whip them out and put them on topically, that kind of thing. But don't let being in the KidSense line scare you from using it, because so many adults have fallen in love with these blends because they're just flat out amazing. So Sniffles is a combination, and as you can imagine from the name Sniffles, it's kind of the respiratory um, help one. And some of the ingredients in it are eucalyptus blue, which of course any of the eucalyptus ones are, help with the respiratory system. Eucalyptus blue also helps with metabolism. Palo Santo, which is a very good antiviral that is cleansing and healing. Lavender, which we all know helps balance the body and is calming. But lavender is also super great for things like bronchitis and throat infections and things like that, that kids, and maybe even like hay fever symptoms, those kinds of things. Dorado Azul, which helps controls like that feeling that you get that you can't breathe from, like asthma or emphysema. If you suffer from those, Dorado Azul will help control that kind of feeling of not having enough oxygen. Camphor, which is amazing for relaxation, but it also helps relieve coughs and congestion. Eucalyptus globulus, another eucalyptus oil that stimulates and supports the respiratory system. This one in particular helps prevent infection and it expedites healing. So that's really great for your respiratory system. Myrtle, which is great for like chronic coughs and bronchitis type symptoms. Marjoram, which relaxes the muscles that spasm. So when you're coughing a lot or having any kind of respiratory um, issues, marjoram will help relieve those spastic muscles that's going on. Pine oil, which is amazing for not being able to breathe very well, but also great for things like sinusitis. Eucalyptus radiata, another eucalyptus one, it's great for congestion and helping with major infections. Like if you start getting flu-like symptoms, eucalyptus radiata is a great one to have. Another eucalyptus one that we can't get individually is Eucalyptus citrodora, and it's kind of like a lemony eucalyptus, and it's a great expectorant. Cypress, which is beneficial to help with colds and pulmonary issues. Black spruce has kind of like a cortisone-like action, and it helps those that have a depressed immune system. Peppermint, which opens the respiratory system and soothes seasonal allergies. So there is a whole list of amazing respiratory oils in this blend, and all put together, designed for little ones and big people to help with your respiratory system and help with any kinds of symptoms that you might, everything from coughs to infections to, more severe things. Then this oil blend is designed for that. So you don't have to worry about dilution with this one. You can apply it topically. It comes in a bottle form, so you can use that to use in the diffuser, which is amazing. But you can also buy it in a roll-on and roll it on. And it would be great to apply to the chest or throat area, particularly at night if you have a little one suffering for, struggling with some respiratory issues. You could put it on the bottoms of their feet. um, you can, like I said, use it in the diffuser to help, have an atmosphere or room that is full of oils that help open up the lungs, because that's what you want to do. This one is one of my grandson Oliver. He loves this oil blend. It is his favorite oil blend, has been from the time he was little bitty, and he calls it his nose oil. And so he'll carry it around and put it on because it's his nose oil, and he sniffs it, and that is like his thing. And but it is like his absolute favorite oil. You guys have anything to add?
Yep, I'll add in there, like Bonnie was talking about, you guys, those are some pretty amazing respiratory oils in here. The name says it all, obviously, but don't hesitate to be mixing except for your Raven, your RC, and all those ones, like amazing powerhouse oils in there, but especially for kids being diluted. Emotionally, something how this oil could benefit you is it actually helps open up the chest and heart, right? It's going to help you emotionally and mentally. Sometimes, I know it sounds crazy, but we carry some of that stuff in our lungs. And so this is just going to help with that. And like if you have children that take on heavy burdens, or they feel like they're taking it on, or they're holding their breath, this would be a good one for that also. It's also been found to be extremely helpful in releasing childhood traumas. So if that may pertain to you, this would be a good one to use for that. That's what I have.
So this is one of my favorites as well. As what Bonnie was saying, just for all the reasons it's so great for the respiratory system. But if you are familiar with the other respiratory oils that are in Young Living's lineup, like Raven or RC, or Breathe Again, this is just another one to add into rotating through all those things. And I've found that there's sometimes when using this is a lot more refreshing, and I feel like my body reacts to it differently than the other oils. So it was definitely one that I was excited to get my hands on it. And I think the name that Canada has for it is Refresh, and it really is like that name. Like it's very refreshing when you put it on, breathing it in, and especially putting it on like before you do activities, or diffusing it at night. It's a really good one to combine in your diffuser with some other oils like Thieves, or even the Sleepy Eyes blend that is also in the Kids Sense line. I just like mixing some of the Kids Scent oils together in the diffuser, and Snifflies and Sleepy Eyes. Those are two good ones to do. Or if you're kind of feeling coming down with something, putting Snifflies and Thieves in the diffuser together. I like the way that those two smell. But I pretty much always have a roller on at least one of the bottles, because it is so nice to be able to just put it on topically before you do something, or if you just want to have your respiratory pathways just opened up and be able to smell something a little bit more fresh in the air.